Hey everybody, and welcome back for Out for the Trash. We were coming home and this had been sitting out next to somebody's trash can for a couple days, so I said, I better go grab it since it's sitting there. It is a Minn Kota Endurance C2 55-pound thrust. It looks like it's been sitting out. The propeller, I guess somebody tried to glue or epoxy the propeller back on, but I don't think that worked very well. And then the other end is broken off too. Now it does spin over. It was a little tight when I grabbed it, but it does spin over. The tilt mechanism works and locks. That all works good. But then I did notice that this is spinning and that's not moving. So I looked into it a little closer and it looks like there is a bolt missing right here. So I'm going to try to find a bolt for it. I can lift it up. I don't even know if we need the light. I'm going to lift it up and figure out what size bolt I need. Hopefully it's just a 1/4 inch bolt, and we can put a 1/4 inch bolt in there and get that from swinging free. I have a battery in the garage. Oh, and this sounds like it's working. Reverse up to 3, forward up to 5. The switch sounds good, so I'll put that back on off. We're gonna get a battery and see if it works. G Junior's over there working on a lawnmower. He's got a little bit of a gas leak he's trying to solve. And I'm gonna find a bolt for this. We'll get a bolt put in here. I don't know if I have the right bolt. I might need a cap head screw, something with an Allen wrench to fit in that hole, but we'll see if we have something that we can use. So I'll be back with a battery and we'll see if this thing even works. Alrighty, well, looking into it a little bit more, this is supposed to have a cap head screw that goes from here all the way through to the other side, and then this has actually got a looking nut head. So a nut goes in here and then a screw goes all the way through it. I don't have a proper screw, so I went ahead and put that on there, and that's good enough for now. Looks like this thing is kind of tight. There we go. There we go. All right, so I just used some vice grips and hooked up on an old battery. So let's go ahead and see if we have anything. Oh, there's first, second, third, fourth. We don't have squat. We're hooked up. Forward full. I don't want to touch this motor with my hand in case it takes off. So let's, up, I just saw it move. I just saw it move a little bit. Do you think that battery is good or is it dead?
I think it's good.
Well, we haven't charged it up in a while. I did see the motor go, maybe the switch is bad. Well, we haven't let the smoke out of it yet. That's good. Here, I'm going to go reverse. Try reverse. No. I swear I saw the thing move. Yep, see it's moving. It's moving a little bit. It's probably just all dirty inside. We don't have an electric impact gun here or anything like that, right? No. All right. Alrighty. Well, this looks like Out for the Trash belongs out for the trash. We're gonna double check and make sure our battery is charged. I have a booster pack I can put on it. And let me come back and see if we can get this thing spinning. Alrighty, well, when we were working on it, you could see that this was moving a little bit. So the switch doesn't feel real good in it. So I went ahead and popped the top off, which there's, you know, a couple screws here, here, here. This one was missing here and here. And then somebody must have been in here already, because you can see right here, they ran the screw through that wire. Hope it's focusing. So anyway, so the switch does not feel really good. So we're going to try to figure out where the power comes in and then goes back out to the motor. So let me see. So you've got a red and a black wire. So the red wire, so the black wire is ground, and the red wire delivers power to those two other wires to give it power, I would think. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can get this thing jumped and see if the electric motor down there is good and it just needs a switch or what it needs. Let me figure out if I can. Oh, the switch is melted right there. See it? You can see right there the switch is melted. So I do believe this needs a switch, but let me see if I can jump it to get the motor working down there. Alrighty, smile G Junior, got G Junior helping me. So this is the black wire that goes down to the motor, which is negative, and then this is the red wire that runs down to the motor. So let me hook it up here. Is there any way you can hold that one on there too? Oh, never mind. And the motor is turning. So basically this one needs a switch. I have another one at the station I scavenged for parts, but that doesn't really look like it's putting out very good, does it?
Doesn't sound that good.
That doesn't sound good either. Can you hear it up here? It is working though. Looks like it's slowly going faster and faster and faster. Go ahead. Can you hold it on there again? Let me take and try to be safe. Let me see if I can stop it. Yeah, I hate to say it, I think that motor's pretty good. Okay. Alrighty, everybody. Well, here is a out for the trash trolling motor that we got out of the trash, and obviously the switch is burned up. I might have a switch. I'll put the switch in. I do not have another prop, but anyway. So yeah, you set that back on the ground. So there you go, everybody. Another out for the trash, switch burned up, and we don't know what we're gonna do with it, but there you go. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the out for the trash videos. Minn Kota.